Welcome to Ayesha Food Lab. Stop doing store-bought snacks. Do homemade banana chips instead. Banana chips can be a healthy homemade snack in just 5 minutes. No preservatives, no guilt, just pure, crunchy goodness. Imagine the satisfaction of making your own snack, knowing exactly what goes into it. With just a few simple ingredients and a bit of time, you can create a delicious treat that's perfect for any occasion. Store-bought banana chips can be pricey and packed with added sugars and oils. But making them at home, it's a game changer. Super easy and way better for you. All you need are raw bananas, a drizzle of lemon juice, and a quick bake or air fry. That's it. And just like that, perfectly crispy, naturally sweet banana chips, so easy. No additives, no extra costs, just a simple, delicious snack you'll love. These homemade banana chips are not only healthy, but also incredibly easy to make. Perfect for any time of the day, they are a guilt-free treat. Try it out and tell us how it went in the comments. We love hearing your feedback and seeing your creations. And for more quick snack ideas, check out our other videos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Subscribe and click the bell icon for more delicious recipes.